So I want to show you my homemade 12 gauge shotgun. It's in the rough form, and 3/4 inch black pipe. It's a real simple firing pin sort of a setup here with a thumb, and it works. And I'm going to take the cap off of the barrel and show you how we made the firing pin setup. We drilled a hole through the center of the cap big enough for a pop rivet, and there's pop rivets different size, and we use a shank of the pop rivet for a firing pin, and then we put a little bit of a spring between the washer just to hold the pop rivet back or the firing pin back. And temporarily I'm using the tape over the firing pin just to make sure the firing pin didn't come out. I'll change that later. And then this screws right onto the barrel. Now another thing, we had a little extra space in the cap, and so we filled it with lead before we drilled our hole. We filled it with lead and we drilled a hole, and the thickness of the lead helps the firing pin to keep on center rather than wobbling around in there. We take a regular 12 gauge Federal shotgun, bird pellets, and it fits right into the barrel. Well, anyway, it's right in the barrel. And then we screw the cap on. Now I've got a small groove in the top of the cap to use for sighting. And then at the end of the barrel, turn it up just a bit for sighting the tip. And then I have 3 little rubber bands. 3 rubber bands on each side. This is in the rough stages. I plan to refine it a little bit, but I want to make sure the thing will work first. And now to fire it, I shoulder fired it for the first time today. Take your thumb and pull back. This would be like the, forget that there's a shell in there. So before I go any further, I'm going to take the shell out. But anyway, pull it back and just release your thumb, hits the firing pin, and detonates the shotgun shell. Works fine. I'll show you here in a little bit.
I'll tell you when. Go.
Ready?
Yep. Got it.
Did it shoot that?
Huh?
Did it?
That's where they went in. It's probably got some EBC.
Yeah, there's some in there. You can hear them around.
Yeah. Is that something?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you want to go get that ramrod? It's where we usually keep the gun. That
Ramrod?